YouTube, what it do? It is your boy Al here, and today, unfortunately, I took a big fat L, okay? I'm gonna be completely transparent up front, tell you guys where I went wrong, tell you guys pretty much what happened. I already know pretty much what I should have done, and again, I'm gonna go over it, so hopefully you guys learn if you did lose today, and if you won, obviously you did better than I did today. But besides the point, we're gonna have losses, we're gonna have wins. Talk about this every single video we make, man, or I make, I should say, is we're gonna have losses and wins, and that's just really all you can do in the market is just keep moving forwards, man. It doesn't matter what happens, we keep moving forwards with our strategy and we perfect it, right? We get better and better, and with God by our side, we can do anything, right? So let's go over pretty much what happened today, and we are looking at our 8 a.m. candle right here, okay? So if you guys are new here, you guys can go watch other videos I have, which I get more comments about more than ever right now, is my strategy. And my strategy is pretty simple. It's very upfront. I'll go over it right now just in case you guys don't know what it is. Basically, all we're doing, man, is we're taking from 8 a.m. to 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, right? And again, that's only time frame I trade as of right now. 8 a.m. is we basically wait this whole 15 minutes, okay? So 8 to 8:15. As you guys are looking right now, you're seeing Ninja Trader, Trade of 8, same exact thing. You guys can do this on Top Step X. There's a million prop firms, which I go over in all my videos as well. But what you're looking for is a 15-minute candle. You're looking for a line at the high, and you're looking for a line at the low. As you guys can see, that is already done. Obviously, I did that this morning. So you guys can see there's a line at the high, a line at the low, right? What we're looking for there is we're going to take from the 15, we're going to change it to the 5-minute, okay? All we're looking for is a closure on the high or the low of that candle, of the lines, I should say, right? Of the 15-minute candlestick. All we're looking for is a closure. As you guys can see right here, this is where I'm gonna go over where I went wrong, right? We had a closure on the upside, right? That immediately tells me we're looking bullish, we're looking for longs, okay? That's just how my strategy is. If this was short, it would have been the same exact situation. Obviously, at the end of the day, we are looking for a long when we see a closure. What I should not have done, right? Normally what we would like to see is a continuation upwards a little bit, and then a reversal back down to this low or this halfway point, right? Which it did, it went down to the halfway. I should have known, I guess, in a way that's something I'm gonna learn from, right? Is something that you can learn from too. Is if we see a reject, so basically it comes down to this point, we could have immediately gotten filled as far as a winning trade if you had went in for a buy at that halfway point. This morning, I was not comfortable with taking that trade. I didn't like it. I don't know. It happened pretty quick for me. And I don't know. Something in my head told me not to do it. I wish I had, right? Besides the point, if we went in for a buy right here, you would have probably won the trade, at least if your take profit wasn't crazy, right? If you were looking for thousands of dollars, obviously, which I talked about on my other videos as well. I had my buy order on the low, which is a dumb idea. And the reason being I'm telling you this is because we had already seen a rejection off of that mid-range of that candlestick, right? We went long and we immediately rejected up here and we kept heading down lower and lower, and I still have my buy order set. Don't even ask me why. I for some reason thought that it was going to continue going upwards, and I should have already seen that it had rejected this zone already completely right here, right? So came down, went long. It shouldn't have went down anything under this, in my opinion. I should have went in for a short, if anything, right here. Obviously, I guess in a way, let's see, if we went in at 24,133 down to, yeah, you would have hit your take profit regardless. I mean, I'm looking for like 100 ticks max, like 125 on like the best day, right? So I guess at 133 to the 100 range, yeah, you would have hit your take profit. I lost. And like I said, at the end of the day, what we can learn from this, right, is if it already rejects, basically, if it rejects that halfway point to go up, back upwards, or not even rejects, I guess, continues the trend of this closure is what I should say, we should notice that if it comes back down again and rejects that point more than once, we're probably going to be looking for shorts rather than longs, or we're not going to be trading at all. That's kind of where my new basis of things is. I probably should have noticed that we were continuing to reject this range, and knowing that I was putting my buy order right here, knowing it had to come back down here anyway. Even if I had put a short right here at 231, I could have been absolutely fine to take a take profit like right here. That's just something I'm going to learn from. It happens. I just want you guys to be upfront. I want to be upfront and aware. Or you guys make you guys aware. Jeez, I can't even speak. Make you guys aware that losses are bound to happen in the market, right? There's nothing we can do about it. We just have to keep moving forwards and trust in God, right? It's not easy to take an L, but at the end of the day, I'd rather lose $400 to $500 on each account rather than lose, $10,000, and knowing that we can come back in tomorrow, learn from this. Hopefully we have another win tomorrow and the rest of the week. and get some more accounts passed on Apex is what I'm hoping for. But I hope that this strategy made a little bit more sense this time. Showing you guys pretty much, again, we're just looking for a closure. Basically, what I would love to have seen, just to go over this real quick, I would have loved to see a continuation up from right here, right? Up to where it actually is right here, right? And basically continuing upwards down. I'm trying to think what the heck. Yeah, continuation, not a rejection back down here, right? I would have liked to see it come up more and then come down to the halfway point, right? I didn't like it because it didn't continue from this point. That's what I meant to say. So basically, I would have rather seen it continue up from, where is it? Let's see, 24, 243 up to like, 300 or even 290, up in this range, and then come and get this rejection block. Not even rejection, mid from, I don't know why the heck I got this rejection thing on my head, but regardless, you know what I'm saying, this halfway point to continue upwards up here, right? To get these fair value gaps up here, for example, right? But I should have known that, again, we completely came down here, came up, rejected this piece again, right? I should have went in for shorts rather than longs, knowing that it was continuing downwards below this. We're gonna learn from it. God is good. We're gonna learn from this and move on. And hopefully we have some more wins coming into the rest of the week, into next week. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, code GGG on Top 1 Futures if you guys want to get an instant funded account on there, $160, I believe, using that code for a 25K account. So it's worth it, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.